Every once in a while, a piece of tech comes along that blurs the line between hobby and art. This is the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro, a 3D printer built for creators, engineers, and dreamers who don't want to spend a fortune chasing precision. Straight out of the box, the Neptune 3 Pro feels premium. It's a full metal frame with dual Z-axis setup. It's not flashy, but it's solid, dependable, and made for performance. It feels like every screw, every joint feels like it's been designed with purpose. And assembly takes less than 20 minutes. Plug it in, tighten a few bolts, connect the screen, and you're ready to create. ELEGOO packed this machine with features that used to belong only to printers twice its price. A 36-point auto bed leveling system that takes the guesswork out of setup. A direct drive dual gear extruder that delivers smoother filament control, perfect for flexible materials like TPU. And a quiet printing system. Stepper motor drivers so silent you'll forget it's even running. It's not just about printing objects, it's about making the process effortless. For its size, this printer punches above its weight, a 225 by 225 by 280 millimeter build volume. Compact, but large enough for most creative projects. PLA, PETG, TPU, it handles them all with consistency and clarity. And whether you're printing prototype or detailed miniatures, it rarely misses. In the end, the results speak louder than the spec. It's not the fastest printer in the world, it's not the biggest, but for under $200, it's a machine that delivers confidence print after print. I am CorbexPC, and this has been a look at the Neptune 3 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd print first.